Hi Sketchlab friends, today we're going to draw a cute cupcake. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with the base of this cupcake. So those two dots determine the width of it. We're going to draw a foreshortened circle. So we're going to make this 3D, so we're drawing with forms today. And now I'm drawing the lines down for the side of the cupcake wrapper. And you see that curve? We want to match that same curve down. Voila. You have a base of a cupcake. So we're going to draw these lines that curve down. This is going to be for the wrapper. Or the liner. Now we're going to draw these lines down. And there you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and erase off this construction line, the top of that foreshortened circle. Curving a line to the left and to the right. This is the cake part of that cupcake. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of curve a line up. So sometimes we start off with a shape and then we start to change the outline of it. So this kind of creates the foundation of this frosting on top. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with the cherry. So we're going to draw that shape of the cherry. Draw the stem. I'm going to curve a line out, kind of like a shark's fin. I curve a line to the two around. That's a cross contour line. Cross contour lines curve around the form. You can see those ones curved out to the left. Now I'm curving some lines out to the right. And this is creating those layers of frosting on top of this adorable little cupcake. Now we're curving some lines down. And there you have it. There's the shape of our frosting. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add that fun expression on now. So I'm going to go, I'm drawing a circle. And inside it, I have these two circles, one larger, one smaller. And then here's another circle. I'm not going to draw through the circles. I'm going to skip over them. And I'm going to fill it in. That's the black part of the eye. And underneath it will be the color of the eye, whichever you choose to draw or color in today. And we're going to add little eyelashes. And we'll do the same thing on this side. And these big eyes and the little mouth is what makes these characters so cute and adorable. You see I have these two lines that curve down for the top part of the mouth. Curving line up for the tongue. You can add these rosy cheeks on your character for another layer of cuteness. And now we're going to make some of this frosting dripping on the ground. All right, so I'm just going in with a Sharpie marker, doing a little bit of outlining first. And when it comes to coloring, if you don't have Posca markers, it's okay. You could use whatever you have. And I always recommend at least a 24 to 48 pack of colors. That way you have a range of value of these different colors here. So I'm starting off with a light pink and a light green, then building up the value with dark red and red. I'll wait for that to dry before I establish that white little highlight on the cherry. And same thing here, I'm going to start off with my lighter color pink. I have an ivory light yellow, and I'm mixing in some brown. A little bit of light orange. Now I'm building up some of the darker values with a hot pink. And I'm also going in lightening up some areas with some white. So with Posca paint markers, you have a choice of actually mixing the paint right on the canvas, or you can let it dry and work in layers. And whenever artists use value, you're adding depth and dimension to your artwork. You're making it appear to be more three-dimensional. So if you want something to look 3D, you want to use value. Okay, so I have a robin green, and we have this lighter green here, blue-green. And you can see we established value, and adding in those little white highlights now, you can see really makes everything pop. And then just establishing those black outlines back to our character again. Well, this was a fun one today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out my 3D drawing playlist. I have a lot of these fun Posca marker 3D drawing videos. And if you have a request, just leave that in the comments. Well, thank you, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.